It's about time we take the Miata on its first road trip. And what better way to do that than skating and camping with friends along the California coast. All right, good morning guys. This is the junk Miata road trip. Gonna go ahead here and try to take the Miata on its first big road trip. Come along, look what we got going. First of all, trunk space. Less than you're typically used to seeing in a Miata. The whole goal here is to have Michael shred it up, and I'm gonna go push along with him. So that's good. Half our gear's right here, so we're not dropping the top this trip. We're just gonna see if the Miata can make it, because we don't know. But I got a good feeling, so let's see how it goes. All right guys, we are giving you a report right now. We're about 100 miles into the trip, out in the middle of these random fields. Michael, what kind of fields do you reckon these are? These are random fields right now. I don't know what they are. If you know a bit more about crops, you can tell me. This is what California agricultural land looks like right here, but we're making our way on out westward still. This is a part of my home state that I actually never go to. This is fantastically beautiful. My goodness. Check it out, Miata double-sided lake. Oh yeah. Another reason why we're on this trip is because Michael here wants to go bomb some Sweet Hills skateboarding. And the Miata, as you can see right here, makes for a pretty good little follow car. Got the GoPro mounted on the front. Michael's warming up the skate. Let's see how this goes, dude. How you feeling, bro?
Feeling a lot better.
Oh, rowdy, dude.
After that one.
That was a hit, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm taking this Miata on a road trip across the states very soon. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do it. Look what we found on the side of the road. Oh yeah. Looking good, buddy. We're out here right now, going out to Goat Rock, everybody. Right now, Michael's got the camera mounted up to the front of the Miata. He's gonna go ahead and try to bomb this hill on a skateboard. I'm gonna, once again, be the camera guy. No matter what, you ain't losing when you're out here. I don't know where I'm at. I'm on the ridge. I'm on Goat Rock. This place is sick. Like, look, behind me is fantastic. And if I walk forward a few feet right here, the other side is just as amazing as well. That's sick, man. Yeah, brother. There's the drone that was just captured by that man. He's just looking at the camera. Thanks, man. If you see this, thank you, dude. So beautiful, dude. All right, with that, we're signing off on the coast. Michael and I might be going inland right now because, well, let me show you something. You can kind of see back here, we got the fog layer coming in very strong. That's gonna make things very cold and very damp overnight. So the truth is we don't wanna go ahead and soak our tent and potentially other stuff. So we might travel back inland and find a spot to camp. So let's make it happen. Issue is we have nowhere to stay. We went to inland. It's all farmland. We don't know what to do now. Mike, how do you feel about the predicament, man?
I don't feel too bad. Options are pretty slim. Like I'm looking at there's this place that's Tole Lake Regional Park.
I could do it. All right, good this area isn't freaky, I don't know what is. Mind if I like record a video? Is that right?
No. This is so cool.
Whoa. Oh, this is so sweet.
Yeah.
How big is this telescope here?
It's 20-inch mirror.
20-inch mirror.
Yeah. So it's
Goodness.
a reflector, so there's a huge mirror down here, and it's a reflector, so the light gets reflected in and out.
Whoa.
And this roof is retractable.
That's so rad.
Yeah. So that's insane.
Wow. All right, so we're setting up camp right now. We got some soup on for Mike. Miata's chilling. Camp is chilling. A lot of other campers around this area. So I might go to bed here in just a second. We'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Nice foggy morning, as you can see. Everything is a little bit damp, but tell you what, life's not too bad. We slept well. Miata did good. That was about 200 miles yesterday. Hopefully gonna go ahead and put about 100 more on the car today. It keeps on chugging. Here's Greta. Mike, what we get into? We're starting off the day with some, as we tend to do, some rad. What are you gonna do right now?
We're gonna try sliding. Let's see how it goes.
See how it goes. Forest right now, guys. I can't see much. As you can see, this road ahead of us is actually really good. Problem is, I've never been on it, and it looks like a sheer cliff on this right side pretty much. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Heck yeah, dude. Good driver's roads, don't worry. We're still finding good driver's roads along these journeys. Even if it's just a Miata checkup, we're over 550 miles right now. And we're chilling. We're chilling. So far, so good. We have a problem. My speedometer is not working right now. It's not the best case scenario. Temp's still good. I know for a fact that temp gauge still works, but the speedometer literally just died up on this hill that we're ripping around. How's it going? All right, it's official. The Miata is good. We did just over 550 miles. Well, I guess that is my guess because the speedometer is not working right now. The only issue on the trip was the fact that the speedometer conked out. But look through the oil looked good. This thing is chugging along. No mix or anything like that of coolant within the oil, so pretty stoked. The only thing we will need to do to the car before going on the adventure is fixing a speedometer cable, and that's ordered. Definitely super stoked right now just to be at a point where I know for a fact the Miata is ready to go on the journey. I'm ready to turn that key and get going real soon. I think that my first day of going on the trip is going to be February 5th. However, filming probably won't start until February 8th or so. All that being said, you should be seeing videos around the February 8th to February 10th time frame. I'm fired up about it. So far, so good. Few final tweaks to this car and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Thanks for stopping by, everybody, and as always, keep it mellow.